My name is Nicole, and I'm going to be talking about the chemistry of sunscreen. For the active ingredients and their purposes, the first one is avobenzone, which, when exposed to the sun, it can break down completely within 30 minutes and gives very little protection to people that are in the sun for long periods of time. Therefore, it gets paired with octocurline, which is extremely stable, and when paired with avobenzone, it provides hours of sun protection. Almost Soleil specifically absorbs short-wave UVB rays. Octisoleil also absorbs those rays and adds water-resistant properties to the formula. Some inorganic chemicals, including minerals such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, act as a physical sunblock. For some facts, sunscreen can be labeled with a SPF value higher than 50. Inorganic chemicals in sunscreen can reflect or scatter the light away from the skin, and organic ones can absorb UV rays so that our skin doesn't. Water-resistant claims must explicitly reveal the amount of protection time while swimming or sweating. Using sunscreen lowers the risk of signs of aging, including wrinkles, sagging, and age spots. Regular daily use can reduce your risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma by about 40% and lower your melanoma risk by about 50%. In recent years, controversy has swirled, particularly around oxybenzone, a common ingredient in the so-called chemical sunscreens, as opposed to the minimal products based on zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. However, they are both misleading terms, as Elizabeth Bisley, who points out that all sunscreen's ingredients, like all molecules, are chemicals. She prefers the terms organic and inorganic to describe each. Now, this is a graph showing the chemical versus the mineral UV protection for the broad spectrum protection. Now, oxybenzone has been accused of being a hormone disruptor, and this is mostly based on one study in which large amounts of the substance were fed to immature rats for 4 days, and the uterine weight increased by 23%. A study in the dermatology calculated it would take an average-sized woman covering 100% of her body every day with the recommended full amount of sunscreen about 35 years to reach that oxybenzone level. Oxybenzone is a benzophenone derivative used as a sunscreen agent. It absorbs UVB and UVA2 rays, resulting in photochemical excitation and absorption of energy. For the molecular formula, it is carbon-14, hydrogen-12, and oxygen-3. The molecular weight would be 228.24 grams per mole. For the relationship to career interests, apart from the aspect of dermatology, for pharmacists who interact regularly with patients in a community setting, helping those patients understand this information and provide counseling on the general safety of the sun are necessary. And this would be my sources.